Hi all, today's topic is Laplace transformation introduction. Before going with the definition of Laplace transform, what do you mean by transformation? An operation which convert a mathematical expression to a different form. For example, differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. Integration of e to the power x dx is nothing but e to the power x plus c. So when I convert to some other variable, it's called as a transformation. So Laplace transformation, it is found by a great French mathematician. Two author has derived this Laplace transformation. So the first author is great French mathematician. His name is Pierre Simon de Laplace, 1949 to 1827. He has done the research in the theory of probability. The second author is English electrical engineer Oliver Heaviside, 1950 to 1927. He has derived in the topic of Heaviside calculus about the Laplace transform. So this is the foundation of the Laplace transform. So now we will come with our definition. Let a function f of t be continuous. When we say it is a continuous and defined for a positive value t, then we can write the Laplace transformation of f of t is associated a function s defined by Laplace transform of f of t equal to, when I write Laplace transform of f of t, it is converted or transformation, okay, done with respect to some other variable. Same Laplace I cannot use. Some other variable, it is nothing but f, okay. F of t is converted as a s variable, a function with respect to s variable. So that is called transformation. So f of x, then when I can write the limit to be integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus st f of t dt. This is the Laplace transformation definition. This, if you know whatever the formula already in my previous video, you check in my first video under this topic unit 3. So in that I have given all the Laplace transformation formula. So everything we can derive using this Laplace transformation, this definition only we can derive it. We can derive it. But problem wise, we have to learn the definition. We have to learn all the formulas. It is easy when you learn the formulas. Okay. So sufficient condition for existence. How Laplace condition exists. Okay. If a function f of t is continuous in the closed interval a is less than or equal to is less than or equal to b and is for a exponential order, then we say that it is a Laplace transformation exists. If both the condition is satisfied, only Laplace transformation I can do it. Okay. So you need not check. Only it is for a theory purpose. We have to check. Okay, whether it is a continuous in the closed interval and it is a exponential order. We have to check. Then only we have to apply a Laplace transform. So what is exponential order means? A function f of t is said to be exponential order when I take a limit t tending to infinity e to the power minus ft f of t equal to 0 when I get, it is called as a exponential order. These are base of your Laplace transform. Now I will go with directly basic formulas for a Laplace transform. This is not a very lengthy problem, very short, within a 2 steps or 3 steps, how we get base of the problem. First problem, Laplace transform of T3. We know the formula. You don't know the formula means we have to check my video. First video, have to check what are all the formulas I have written. Check in the first video. T power n, already I have written the formula in the first video. So it is n factorial x power n plus 1 is the formula. So now according to our whatever it is asked, now when the n is 3, so 3 factorial divided by s power n plus 1 s power 4. So 3 factorial also we have to write it in a calculator, calculate it 3 factorial, give in the calculator, the answer will come. So 6 divided by s power 4. So completed within a single step, only one step. So we have to use the formula and write it. Very easiest base. Okay. So the second problem, Laplace transform of root of t. So root t, how we have to write it means t can be written as t to the power half. I can write it. Now same concept only. So it is nothing but so we have to write it t power n means it is n factorial is nothing but gamma of n plus 1. Another case is gamma of n plus 1 is the n factorial. Okay. In some case I can use directly n factorial. But when it is a fraction, okay, that case and all, you have to use a formula to be gamma only. So same n plus 1 only. So gamma of n plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1. So now n is nothing but a half. So half plus 1 we have to calculate and write. So gamma of half plus 1 divided by s power, so half plus 1, okay, so 3 by 2. So denominator no change at all, but numerator we have to write gamma of n plus 1. Everyone know that it is nothing but n into gamma n. So now when I write it, gamma of half plus 1. So when I write it according to this, so n into, so half into gamma of half. We know that gamma of half is nothing but root pi. Gamma of half is root pi. These formulas are available in my first video. Check my first video, formulas video. So now I can write this as half into root gamma, root 1 by 2 is nothing but root pi. So half root pi divided by s power 3 by 2 is my answer. Okay, so completed. So single step only, but some changes we have to do it. Same way, L of t power 3 by 2, same procedure when I write it. So gamma of 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by denominator s power 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2. So denominator no change, only numerator I have to write it. As per this, when I write it, gamma of 3 by 2 plus 1. So it's nothing but 3 by 2 gamma of, okay, now I have to write 3 by 2. Again 3 by 2 I have to rewrite it the same procedure. Gamma of 3 by 2 I have to write it. So 3 by 2 as it is. So now when I write gamma of 3 by 2, how can I write? So gamma of half plus 1 I can write it. So when I write it, 1 by 2 into gamma of half plus 1. Okay, again when I write it, so 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this fully is nothing but, okay, this is gamma of 3 by 2. That only I am writing. Already we have written 1 by 2 into root pi. Okay, so what is our answer? 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 root pi divided by s power 5 by 2. So it's nothing but 3 divided by this 4 s power 5 by 2, 3 root pi. So simplify and write or leave it as it is. Okay, it's not wrong. So completed. So now next problem, very simple problem, one step problem only I have taken, so that you can easily understand what is the concept of the Laplace transform. So now L of sine square 2t. Sine square t, what is the formula? So check in my formula video. Sine squared, it is nothing but sine square 2t is nothing but 1 minus cos when it is only t. Okay, sine squared t formula is 1 minus cos 2t divided by 2. Okay. Now sine square 2t. So 1 minus cos 4t divided by 2. So Laplace transform of 1 minus cos 4t divided by 2. So what I have to do, 1 by 2 is a constant. I will take it outside. Laplace transform of 1, I have to split and write. Laplace transform of cos 4t. Okay, we know the formula. Laplace transform 1 is nothing but 1 by, yes, cos of 4t formula is s divided by s squared plus a squared. A squared is 4. 4 squared is 16. So completed. Only we have to learn the formula, then it is easy. Okay. So now next problem. Laplace transform of sin phi t cos. Now it is a formula sin A cos B. Sin A cos B, what is the formula? Sin A cos B. So 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is the formula. Okay, you check in my first video again. Okay, so now 1 by 2 Laplace transform of, I will split directly and write. So sin A plus B is nothing but sin 7t plus sine 3t. So now 1 by 2 Laplace transform of sine 7t, we know directly formula 7 divided by a square plus a squared, so 49, plus same way Laplace transform this 3 divided by a square plus 9. So completed. Same way next question, a minus b the whole square, like that formula. So first expand it. So a minus b the whole square, what is the formula? A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So according to our expansion, when we do it, expand it. So sine squared t minus plus cos squared t minus 2 sine t cos t is the formula. Correct? First we split the terms. Okay, when I split sine squared t plus Laplace transform of cos squared t minus 2 Laplace transform of sine t cos t. Okay, now I know that sine squared t. Okay, sine squared t is nothing but 1 minus cos squared cos 2t divided by 2, or add both. We know that sine squared plus cos squared is 1. Okay, so 1 minus 2 sine theta cos theta is nothing but sine 2 theta. So sine 2 theta. That way also you can do it. 1 minus sine 2t, it is replaced. So when I replace it, you need not split. When you split also, it's not wrong. Again, it will get cancelled. It takes time. Okay. So before splitting also, you can simplify it like this way. So sine square t plus cos square t is 1. 2 sine t cos t is nothing but sine 2t. So both you combine it. So Laplace transform of 1 minus sine 2t. So now we split. So L of 1 minus L of sine 2t. So now we know that L of 1 is 1 by S. So minus sine 2t is 2 divided by S squared plus 4. So completed. Okay. So next problem will be 7th is very simple. It is nothing but L of 8 e to the power, split all the terms. When you have split all the terms. So L of 8 is a constant. I will take it e to the power 8t plus L of cos h3t plus L of sin 5t. Now write a formula for this. So 8 we know as usual 8. E to the power 80 is nothing but formula is s minus 8. Okay, constant. Okay, as it is. Cos h, what is the formula? Cos under s divided by s squared minus h is minus a squared. So 3 squared is 9. Same way sine, it's nothing but constant dot a. Okay, 5 divided by s squared plus 5 squared. So 25. So completed. Next question. L of e to the power 4t plus t power 4 plus 7. Split all the terms as per this is how I am splitting means it's called as a linear property. I can split the terms and write. So Laplace transform of e to the power 4t plus Laplace transform of t to the power 4 plus 7 L of 1. Okay, don't leave this. Only the mistake you do in the problem. Constant, you write it as only constant 7. It's wrong. Okay, constant, you have to write L of 1 because we know that formula L of 1 is nothing but 1 by S. Okay, it will change. So don't write constant. Instead of 7, you write the full question. It's wrong. Okay. So now L of e to the power 4t is nothing but 1 divided by S minus 4. When plus means minus. Plus L of t to the power is 4 factorial divided by S power 4 factorial we have to write. So 4 factorial divided by S power 4 plus 1. So 5. 4 factorial you have to calculate in a calculator. So 4 factorial you calculate in a calculator is nothing but 24, 24 I think, no? 4, S24. 7 into L of 1 is 1 by S. So next step, one more step you write. So S minus 4, A 4 factorial is 24, 24 divided by S power 5 plus 7 by S. Okay, completed. No need to simplify this, taking LCM and all. It's no need. Okay, that is not compulsory. So last question. So L of cos power 4t. L of cos power 4t. Cos power 4t, we have to write what is the formula for cos power 4t. So it is nothing but cos squared. I'll use some other color. So cos squared, what is the formula? Cos squared t formula is 1 plus cos 2t divided by 2. But our question is cos 4t. So 1 plus cos 2t the whole square. So normal simplification a plus b the whole square. So 1 by 2 when I take square it 1 by 4. 1 plus cos squared 2t plus 2 into cos 2t. Okay. So I will write it here itself. Simplification. Okay. So now 1 by 4 cos squared again 2t when I write it. So it is nothing but 1 plus cos 4t divided by 2. So 1 plus cos squared 2t. Cos squared 2t is nothing but 1 plus cos 4t divided by 2. So I am going to apply this. So 1 by 2 plus cos 4t by 2 plus 2 cos 2t. So 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. So everywhere 2 I will take it outside. So 1 by 8 I will write that. So 1 by 8. So 3 plus here 2 already is there. So cos 4t. Here 2 I have to take LCM. So 2 when it becomes it's a 4 cos 2t. This is our final. Now you take a LCM of this. So now 1 by 8 it's outside. L of 3 plus cos 4t plus 4 cos 2t. Everything you don't write it in a rough work. You can write it here but separate. So now split the terms 1 by 8. L of 3 plus L of cos 4t. 4 is constant. So L of cos 2t. So this also 3 I will take it outside. So 1 by 8, 3 I will take it outside. L of 1 plus 4 cos 4t. What is the formula? So it is nothing but 4 I will 4 cos 4t. Cos 4t s divided by s squared plus a squared. So 16 plus 4 outside. So again s divided by s squared plus 2 squared. So 4. So L of 1 is 1 by s. So 1 by 8. So 3 by s plus s divided by s squared plus 16 plus 4s by s squared plus 4. Okay. So we have completed. Solve the question. Thank you.